The next part is the types of algebraic expression. So we will consider the type of algebraic expression. So in a types of algebraic expression, we are having the monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, and the polynomial. So first is having consider monomial. Monomial means that is only having the one term. An algebraic expression having only one term. That is suppose 5x, 7x upon 2, 8y. Okay, these are called the monomial because it is having only the one term. So all the element or all the algebraic expression that having only one term are called the monomial. In a second, binomial. Binomial, suppose 5x plus 3y, 7a plus b. These are called the monomial because it is having the two terms. So when we are having the two terms, these are called these are called the binomial. Okay. Suppose a square minus b square. So these are called the binomial. Binomial is the having the two terms. Okay. So when we are having the two terms, these are called the binomial. Okay. Now next is the trinomial. In a trinomial, we are having the three terms. Third is our trinomial. So in a trinomial, we are having the three terms: 3x plus 6y minus 8z square, or we can say that x upon 3 minus a upon b plus c upon d. So we are having the one term, two term, this is our third term, first term, second term, third term. So the combination of the three terms, we are having the three terms here. So when we are having the three terms in our algebraic expression, that is called our trinomial. Okay. Now, what is the multinomial? A multinomial have more than three terms. Okay, this is also called a monomial. जब हमारे monomial में क्या sorry in a multinomial में आपके three terms से भी ज़्यादा होता है. ठीक है. Next is our polynomial. Polynomial has two or more than two terms. Polynomial में two होंगे या फिर two से ज़्यादा terms होंगे. ठीक है. That is called the polynomial. Now we will discuss the second part about the product. So how our product will be take place according to our terms. देखते हैं about the product. So suppose we are having the consider some terms. One is a, 2b. And 3c. Suppose these are our terms. These are our different terms. Okay. So this is the one term a, 2b, 3c. When you have to multiply them, so a into 2b into 3c. Okay. So here in the multiplication, the constant will be multiplied with the constant. So here 1 is there. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. Okay. In a multiplication, in a product, the constant value should be multiplied by with the constant of the another one. Okay. Here the constant is 1, constant is 2, constant is 3. So all the three constants will be multiplied. So it will be 1 into 2 into 3, 6. Now a, b, c. So you will write a, b, c. Okay. So this is our this is called our multiplication, product of the terms. Okay. Now what is the factor? Next topic is about factor. So what is the factor? Factor is nothing. Suppose we are having the term 6abc. We are having the factor 6abc. Okay. So that term that divides this full expression. अगर इस जिस एक्सप्रेशन को कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करके डिवाइडर आपका 0 आ जाता है, then that will be called the factor. So a is the factor of 6abc, 2b is the factor of 6abc, 3c is the factor of 6abc, 6 is the factor of 6abc. Okay. So these are called the factors. Now, next is the coefficient. Coefficient is the any factor or a group of factors of a term is called the coefficient of the remaining part of the monomial. Okay. Suppose here this is A, B, C. This is the expression 6 A, B, C. And if I ask you to find the coefficient of C, here I will find the coefficient of C. So what will be the coefficient of C? The remaining, that is the 6AB. So 6AB will be called the coefficient of C. Okay. Now, next is the degree of the monomial. So what is the degree? So degree of a monomial is the exponent of its variable or the sum of the exponents of its variable. Okay. We will consider with one our example. Take one example, then it will be more clear. Okay. So suppose for the coefficient to find, consider any coefficient is done now. Checking part is the degree. So degree of the monomial we have to discuss here. So degree of the monomial is the power, the highest power of our any variable, that is called the degree. Suppose I will write 5x. And I will ask what is the degree of this monomial. It will be 1 because x is having the power of 1. So the degree will be here 1. If I say 5xy, the variable, the degree of x is 1. Power of x is that the exponent y is also 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay. Suppose there is another x square yz. Now, if I ask what is the degree of this monomial, it will be x raised to the power 2. So this is the 2, 1 1 here. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So the degree of this monomial is 4. So we have to, what is the degree? Degree is the exponent value of any variable, or if we are having a more than one variable. Here we are having a more than one variable, then we have to do the addition of every exponent variable. For example, here this is 1, this is 1. So add it, 2. Here 2, 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So this is your degree. Okay. Now next is the degree of a polynomial. So degree of the polynomial will be considered that term that is having the highest degree. Okay. So suppose there is one example we will discuss. 4x, 5x4 plus 7 x cube y square and plus 2xy. Okay. Now we have to find the degree of this